All right, pound USD. This was on Tuesday. This is my post analysis number 5. This was after I took a couple pound New Zealand trades. I was sister pairing pound New Zealand with pound USD. USD, I was really watching all week. I've been trading Euro USD pretty much all week. The US dollars have really been interesting, lots of movement. So I think that also is what struck me to pound USD. So here we go, we'll get into it. Jump up to the 1 hour real quick. And you see this big downtrend coming in, and then there's new highs coming, right? So we're in an uptrend on this time frame. The 1 hour is definitely a big uptrend. I think something that I did notice was you can actually read these pullbacks on the hourly, this break. You can actually read these pullbacks on the hourly. So really this is almost like a 4 hour, 1 hour trade with 15-minute precision, and I was treating it as a 1 hour 15 with like a 5-minute precision. So I got to really get steady on my time frames. I believe that's one reason why I got into early on this. The trade did end up going after a nice hold. So let me get into the analysis real quick. Like I said, we break these, had these new highs coming in, pull back, new highs. So nice. The trend is getting faster pretty quickly. So these guys are wanting this. The buyers are buying it up. They're getting higher and higher prices. So there is a demand here. So I got my demand, my big boy demand, found it. Volume is rising here on this push up. Volume pushed up with it. So I got volumes. The big boy flow is up. So there's like 3 checkpoints right there. So let's look for a seller so we can get the buy in. We need sellers to buy from. So the opposite party coming in. So that's what I did. I looked, went down. I was already down on my 15 minutes. And here's the breach. We had nothing going on here, no higher highs, no lower lows. That's fine. And then all of a sudden here comes some lower lows. All right, that's good. That makes people think the sells are coming. We have lower lows, a pullback. The discounts come in. Some buyers buy it, but not too much because they remember this memory. Oh, we made lower lows. So more discounts may come in. We buy a little bit, but not much. More discounts come in, even lower, get more people interested on the sells. They even try again, and then here they turn around. Nice V formation coming in right here on the 15. And they had a strong test with this volume coming in New York. Pretty sure this was some news at 9 o'clock my time, and it pushed it up. So that's when I was saying, okay, let's see any test back in this area. If it holds in this area, I will attempt it. And went down to my 5 minutes, found a nice entry. Got a fairly nice entry. Stop losses I put just under this, where this rejection came in, and these candles held. That's where my stop loss was. And notice it wasn't really going. It's getting later on in the day of New York, and I decided to, since it wasn't blasting, go ahead and close this guy out for a break even. And the trade did perform, but 2 sessions later. So it was really, like I said originally, it was a 4 hour, 1 hour when you had the nice, had a nice V formation. See, even really this was still a lower high really from this point. So really was this my V formation right here. Test, test, go. So it did hold here. Sellers couldn't, no more discount, no more discount. Buyers are buying it. They buy it up to here. This could have got people thinking it was going in Asia. And then no, we didn't get enough sellers. So this push down would definitely get more sellers interested. And then once they got their price again, buyers came in strong. One more test back and then blasted and made new highs. So break even on that, so that's not too bad. But yeah, so we'll call that one good. I think that was PA number 5.